It's been a little while since I've featured my Jazzmaster on the channel, so it's been getting used, don't worry about that, but it's just not featured in any videos. So I thought I'd use it for this month's chord melody, which is of Juan Tizol's Perdido. Now this is quite an interesting song to try and do a chord melody solo guitar arrangement for, because the melody is got those short, snappy little phrases. So what I've had to do is kind of interject it with chords to kind of keep the vibrancy of the rhythm, the feel of the tune going. There's a link in the description to my Patreon where you can get the PDF, the tab and notation of this on the lowest tier, which will give you access to all of my other chord melodies too. When I sat down to record this, I initially tried using my L50 ES150 conversion, but for whatever reason it just didn't feel right, and thought, why not try the Jazzmaster in it? It instantly felt great for this particular arrangement. Now, if you missed my video from a few months ago where I compared my Fender Jazzmaster to my main guitar that I gig, my Gibson Super 5 Archtop, then I'll leave that on the screen for you. Thanks for tuning in, checking in. Please leave a comment, let me know what you think of the arrangement, and don't forget to check out the link to my Patreon in the description. Until next time, you take care.